both sides wheel bolts for 15mm spacers.
To replace the stop bolt, the length of bolt you need is the same as the stop bolt. If you are going to install wheel spacers, you need to install the extending wheel bolt. The length of extending wheel bolt you need is the thickness of the spacer plus the stop bolt length, such as the length of stop bolt is 30mm. And now to install 15mm spacers. The required length is 30mm plus 15mm, and you need the length of wheel bolt is 45mm. With the 12-petal hand design, the petal hands can only be manufactured by superforging technology. This uniform distribution requires a large tonnage machine to forge in one step. The spacer structure design effectively reduces the losing of bolts during use. Porsche, Mercedes GLE, GLS class, Lamborghini, Bentley, and Maserati are all used spacer structure bolts.
See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.